Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a printhead alignment page on an Epson XP4105. Now this can be done directly from the printer using the control panel on the front. So, from the home screen of the printer, we can use the arrow keys here to move along until we get to maintenance. Okay, once we're there, we press OK, and printhead alignment is the third option here. Now, I'd recommend doing printhead alignment if you have fuzzy prints or it kind of looks like shadowing underneath what you've been printing or things don't look quite right. So we've got two kinds of alignments we can run from this particular machine. We've got the vertical alignment, which is for gaps in your printing, and we've got the horizontal alignment, which is for lines which appear regularly down your prints, which are quite noticeable. So we're going to go through this one first of all. Vertical alignment. Press OK to print. Now, with that finished, you'll be presented with a page like this, a whole series of blocks. Now what you're looking for is, for each stage, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're looking for the square which has the least amount of lines running in it vertically. You can see they're quite distinct on this side, and you'll find there's a point where they kind of fade to the least noticeable and they start getting more noticeable again. Now, what we do with this is we just run down them using the options presented to us on screen. Now, obviously the number 1 relates to that first line we were just looking at, and as we saw, it was number 2 where the lines were the least noticeable. So do press the minus, tilt it down to 2, press OK. We run through the next one, just 5, and so on until we've run through all 7. From here, it just applies the changes we've made and applies that to the next print. Now, if however you're looking for a way to remove those horizontal lines we spoke about previously, we go back to that main screen from maintenance, down to horizontal alignment, and we go through a slightly different process. Now, after your printer is finished printing, you get this very different looking page. Okay, again with 7 lines with these blocks on here. Now what we're looking for in this instance is the point where there are no gaps between the top and the bottom rectangle. So you'll see here there's like a very fine little line there, and you're looking for the point where there's no kind of white line and there's no, hopefully you can see on camera, there's no like overlapping here where the 2 blocks of black have been printed slightly over each other and gives you that more defined line in the middle. So you're looking for the sweet spot between the 2, which on this print is number 4. Okay, so now back on this screen, that's okay, mine is already to number 4, and we're done. Now, combining these 2 procedures, you should hopefully have a better looking print. If you still have lines and stuff on your prints, it might be worthwhile running through cleaning cycles and doing the nozzle check test page, which we have separate videos for additionally. But hopefully this is a good first step for you on the way to troubleshooting your issues. If you found this useful, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.